Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add logo to Instagram story. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo, and if you want to add logo, we can click on the sticker icon and then you have to select the cowdot. Okay, and you can choose the logo you want to add to your Instagram story. I'm just going to add Instagram logo, this one. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the sticker has been created by Instagram. Okay, and I'm going to click on use sticker. Okay, and I'm just going to place it right here in the corner, just like that. And I'm going to add my username as well. Okay, click on done, and I'm going to place it right here nearby the logo. Okay, now it's done guys, and once you're ready to share your story, you just need to click on your story, and the story will be shared to your Instagram with this logo. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add logo to Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.